morning in Cherrapunji, and we are at something called the Double Root Bridge. This is like for auntie. Finally, I convinced her to be on camera. So this is Kamal's mom. So she's the one who's been feeding me. You know, अगर auntie नहीं होती मैं तो भूखी प्यासी रह जाती. Kamal not giving me any food, nothing. So auntie is the person.
Wherever I am there is always food around.
But auntie restaurant के बारे में कुछ बताइए. This is like a big hit, no, the restaurant.
This is basically a Bengali restaurant. This is you can get an authentic Bengali food. We have a chef from Calcutta.
So this is the most popular Bengali food restaurant in Guwahati. I've been hearing about it for like ever, and I'm so excited to try it. You all saw the thali and everything. So it's amazing food. Three chefs. No?
Yeah. We have 3 chefs, and they are all from Calcutta. And food is really people love. People really come all the way from. We get guests from
Different
Bombay.
places.
Yeah, very different places. Bombay, Calcutta. Calcutta, you won't imagine Calcutta is a place where you get a nice Bengali food. But we have so many guests from there. These type of food, these type of ambience, we don't get it in Calcutta also.
So this is done like a Bengali house, auntie, traditional.
Yeah. This is a Bengali just village house. No?
Village house.
That's see, when you go to village, you see that this type of walls are there with the made of mud houses or something like that. We try to create that thing. We just try to create a Bengal ka matlab gaon. We are trying to create that. But people are liking it.
People are loving it. So you had the yum food, you saw the ambience.
बंगाल में
हाँ.
ये साग हो गया, this is शिद्धो, ऐश्वर्य पिटिका बोलते हैं, this is टमाटर चटनी, मूंग दाल, या this is क्या बोलते हैं इसको, पनीर, नहीं पनीर, क्या बोलते हैं, ये किस लिए बाबा? चना कालिया, हाँ, this is आलू बटर, this is this is pulao, मिष्टी पुलाव, and bhaja are there, vegan bhaja and one starter is there.
Where is the mutton?
This one.
And this is the man behind it all. Say hi, Sunny.
Fish.
So guys, if you're coming to Guwahati, you have to come to Omago, and you have to look for auntie also. She's not always here. If you're lucky, you'll find her here. Then you can ask for special dishes.
Welcome back to Omago. This is our family family restaurant for the past. It's a 10-year-old brand. These paintings that we've had from our first restaurant itself. We have more which is going to be on display. So Durga Puja is supposed to be very busy for us.
Kaval's been in Bombay for like, I don't know, 15 years, but he's originally from Guwahati.
Yeah, I'm born and brought up in Guwahati.
And he's also represented the country in Mr. India Award, which is very high award. Mr. World. Good morning, everyone. So I am in Shillong and staying at a place called Assam House, which is so pretty and so nice. And the plan is to go to Cherrapunji and then walk up from there to this place called Double Root Bridge, which is basically the roots of 2 trees combining across the river. It's like a natural wonder. And it's early in the AM. Like, I'm not an early morning person. Those of you who know me know that. But you know, in the hills everyone sleeps early, and because the sun rises early you get up early. So it's early, it's like 8 o'clock, and it's a beautiful day. No makeup as always. And yeah, it's going beautifully. Before this I was in Guwahati, Assam. Food's been amazing, the place has been amazing, and today I'll show you around Shillong Market, so yeah, you'll get to see that too. It's extremely flimsy. It shakes when you're walking. Only one person at a time can walk. And yeah, that's the perspective of tiny.
This is gonna be your proof of safely crossing the entire bridge of Nongriat to the double route bridge.
So this is the second bridge that we climbed. Taya thing behind me is the cable bridge that we've had to cross, just one of the many bridges to get here. And that's just half the bridge. Once I reach the end, I'll show you the full one.
At the double route bridge in this village called Nongriat. So basically for here you need to take a cab from Guwahati to
Leave all that.
Cherrapunji.
How many steps did we climb?
3.5 hours from Guwahati to about 4 hours to Cherrapunji, then 1 hour to Teherna village, so which is about 4.5 hours drive, and 3,700 steps
One way.
one way to the route bridge, and then here you come and stay in very humble.
It was exhausting because Kawal convinced me that getting one with nature and this and that and the other. But here we are finally, and wait, so the double route bridge is roots of trees connecting across the river to make a natural bridge. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is in Cherrapunji, right?
This is in Cherrapunji, ahead of Cherrapunji, called Nongriat, in this village,
Yeah.
which has 34 houses. And this route bridge, the double route bridge, basically there are about 7 route bridges in Meghalaya, and this is the only one which is a double route bridge, and this is about 200 years old.
We're standing on one right now. Okay, that's what the bridge looks like. Wait, I'll show you in close up. This is what it looks like. That's roots with moss, and then again more roots. And the second bridge is just below me. Wait. Looks like. I'll show you another view when I'm down there, so you can see what the view is like.
It will become stronger. In 1 year, it has become more strong.
So this is what the root bridge looks like. These are the roots.
Yeah.
That's moss growing on them to make it stronger. Then there's another layer of roots that grows, and this is a root bridge which is so rock solid that it doesn't move at all, whereas the cable bridge we came on was like moving. And I'll show you the bridge on top. That's why they call it the double route bridge. This is what the bridge looks like, bottom view. But yeah, this is the bridge. We are just about to reach Police Bazaar in Shillong. And I walked and I walked and I walked like I think we've been walking for 30 minutes. See, it's only about 5:45 in the evening. But see how dark it is. You see it? It's just 5:30 or 5:45. But it's pitch dark. This is Khorika. How do you pronounce it, Karan?
Khorika.
Khorika. So this is the thali option. Okay. Dal bhat. Fish. Look at the option I love fish. Look at the options in fish kanja, sorcery. So we are at Kawal's Bottom. It is an amazing place. Kawal, tell me about this place.
Yeah, so basically Sampada wanted to try sample Assamese food. So there is this restaurant over here which has 2 branches, and it's called Khorika. So I've gotten her here, and we are trying the fish thali, of course. And then as I go through the menu, I can see there is pork in it. There is like
pigeon meat.
There is pigeon meat. I'm a vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian, as they say. So they have meats like duck meat, pork. They have mutton. They have boiled pork and chicken. And pigeon meat, and then they have domesticated chicken, which is like desi chicken. That's what we call it in Punjabi. So there's quite a variety.
Kamal
and-
has turned vegetarian. He wasn't always
So 2.5 years back,
He's a Sardar, so
so I have grown up like having 1 kilo chicken every day when I was working out a lot. So 2.5 years back, I left chicken and the red meats beyond. After that, I still have fish and eggs, which are gonna go off the menu, like my plate very soon.
So we've ordered like 2 non-veg thali. We'll show you now our reaction of
Fish
that.
thali, yeah.
Fish thali. This is the non-veg thali with fish curry-ka. These are the ingredients. So this is the thali which I'm having and I love it. Though Kamal is being snooty and saying that Bengali food is richer, blah blah this that. I really love it. It's yummy. I love the Asmi's thali. Guys, whichever one of you wants to try Asmi's food, definitely check out this place. And there's like amla achar and like lots of other stuff.
Hi guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.